What is indefinite integral of e raised to 4x minus 5 by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. In that case, to solve this integral, we may apply so-called u-subtraction method. We do it in order to modify the integral in the way that enable using some of known formulas for finding integrals. In our case, we substitute expression in power. We say u is equal to 4x minus 5. We also have to know what is the derivative of u. So we write the derivative of u equals d4x minus 5. From rules that we can apply to derivatives, we know that derivative of 4x minus 5 equals derivative of 4x minus derivative of 5. Thus, we have du equals d4x minus d5. We also know that derivative of constant is 0. Consequently, our derivative of 5 is also 0. And we've got du is equal to 4dx. But what we want to have is expression that we insert to our main solution instead of dx. So after division of both sides by 4, we've got du divided by 4 is equal to dx that we were searching for now. Let's make use of our u. We insert u instead of 4x minus 5 in the power of our main equation, and instead of dx, we now use expression with our substituted variable u, which is du divided by 4. We have now integral of e raised to u by du divided by 4. Next, we try to modify our main equation to the form which enables using some known formulas for solving integral. First, knowing that integral of a multiplied by s by ds, where a is some constant, equals a multiplied by integral of s by ds. We may apply it to our equation. In our case, s is e raised to u and a is 1/4. Perfect! Now we can apply formula which says integral of e raised to s by ds equals e raised to s. We also must add constant c to make sure that we have all our solutions taken into account, as our solution make whole class of functions, not a single one. In our case, s is u, and we've got in our main equation 1/4 multiplied by e raised to u plus constant c. But it is not the end of our solution. We have to come back to our problem, and it was formulated using variable x. We use u substitution, and now we have to come back to x. So instead of u, we now insert 4x minus 5. We've got e raised to 4x minus 5 plus constant c as a result of our problem. Finally, indefinite integral of e raised to 4x minus 5 by dx is equal to e raised to 4x minus 5 plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.